Hello everyone. It's great to be back after a long time. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you. What if I told you that you could craft a professional animated cartoon music video in less than 10 minutes, without ever touching an animation tool? Hard to believe, right? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll walk you through an easy, step-by-step process to create captivating cartoon music videos that both kids and parents will love. Let's get started.
Welcome to the jungle, let's have some fun. The animal dance party has just begun. The monkey swings, the elephant stomps. Everybody's grooving, let's dance and jump. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Roar like a lion, wiggle like a snake. Dance, 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 it's a jungle shake. The parrot flaps and squawks, come on.
Pretty amazing, right? Can you believe it was all created using AI? You don't need to be an animator, a video editor, or even a professional artist. All you need is your idea and the right AI tools. In this video, I'll show you how to let AI handle everything, from character creation to lip syncing and movement. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to start creating your own animated cartoon music videos that could be your next viral hit. To create an animated cartoon music video, we'll follow 4 simple steps. Step 1 is generating the lyrics for the song. If you already have your lyrics, you can skip this part. But if not, don't worry. We'll use ChatGPT to help us create them. But before that, we need a solid idea to get started. For that, we'll also turn to ChatGPT, which is fantastic at coming up with creative and amazing ideas. You'll see just how impressive it is. Let's take a look at all the ideas and pick one. I really like the first one, Animals Dance Party, so I'll ask ChatGPT to generate lyrics for it. You can even specify the number of verses if you'd like. And here we go, ChatGPT has delivered some fantastic lyrics for the song. Now, to bring these lyrics to life as a full song, we'll use an amazing tool called Suno AI. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, you'll need to create an account. Just click here and sign up using your Google account. Once your account is set up, click Create and enable the custom option. Next, switch to version 4 for better results. Now, enter the lyrics we created earlier. Let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics, and paste them here. Remove the extra details if any and then, select the style of music you want. You can choose from the available options or type in your own. Finally, add a title for your song and click Create. You'll see that it generates 2 different versions of the song. Let's play the first one.
Welcome to the jungle, let's have some fun. The animal dance party has just begun.
Wow! This one sounds amazing, it has an energetic vibe, and the instruments work perfectly together. Now, let's check out the second version.
Welcome to the jungle, let's have some fun. The animal dance party has just begun. The monkey swings, the elephant stomps. Everybody's grooving, let's dance and jump. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Roar like a lion.
I like this one more. I'll select it but switch from female vocals to male vocals. And here we go, this version feels more pleasant and has a catchy tune. Once you've chosen your favorite song, click here, go to Download, choose Audio, and it'll be saved to your computer. With the free version of Suno, you get 50 credits daily, allowing you to create up to 10 songs per day. Now that we have the song ready, let's move to the next step, generating video clips for the music video. To do this, we'll use ChatGPT again to generate prompts for the video creation. And here we go, ChatGPT has come up with some detailed and creative prompts. Now let's move on to the next step, generating the video clips for the music video. For this, we'll use an AI tool called Halio AI. You can find the link in the description to access it. This tool is incredible. It can create stunning video clips for your music video using just text prompts. To get started, click the link, sign up with your Google account, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, click Create, then choose the text to video option. Now, head over to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt we generated earlier, and paste it into Halio AI. Before hitting Create, let me explain the credit system. When you sign up, you'll get 1,000 free credits instantly, plus an additional 100 credits daily as a bonus. Keep in mind, though, that these free credits expire within 3 days, so be sure to use them wisely. Once you've pasted your prompt, click the Create button. The tool will start processing your request. It may take a moment if there's a queue. And here we go. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow, but the video is finally ready. Let's play it. Wow! As you can see, we've got a fantastic animated music video for the first lyric, and the quality is amazing. To download this video clip, simply right-click on it, select Download, and it will be saved to your computer. Now we've successfully created the video clip for the first line of our song. Repeat this process for the remaining lines to complete your music video. Once you've completed generating all the clips, you'll have everything you need to create your animated cartoon music video. Now let's move on to the final step, editing and putting it all together. For this, we'll use a free online editing tool called CapCut. It's an AI-powered tool that makes video editing super easy. Let's get started. First, upload all your video clips and the song by dragging and dropping them into CapCut. Once uploaded, begin by adding the song. Just click on it, and it will be added to the timeline.
Welcome to the jungle, let's have.
Next, drag and drop the first video clip onto the timeline. Arrange the rest of the clips one by one in the correct sequence. If you'd like to add transitions between clips, go to the Transitions tab, click View All, and browse through the options. Find one you like, drag it between two clips, and adjust its duration under the basic settings. Repeat this for all clips to add smooth transitions throughout. Finally, to download your video, click Export, give it a name, and hit Download. The video will be saved to your computer, and you can review the final output.
Welcome to the jungle, let's have some fun. The animal dance party has just begun. The monkey swings, the elephant stomps. Everybody's grooving, let's dance and jump. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Roar like a lion, wiggle like a snake. Dance, 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 it's a jungle shake. The parrot flaps and squawks, come on, let's go. The crocodile snaps, but he's dancing slow. The kangaroo hops, the penguin slide. Everyone's invited, come join the ride. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Roar like a lion, wiggle like a snake. Dance, 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 it's a jungle shake. Spin like a cheetah, fast and free. Stretch like a giraffe, as tall as can be. Twirl like a flamingo, one leg in the air. Shake your tail like a dancing bear. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Move your body to the beat. Roar like a lion, wiggle like a snake. Dance, 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 it's a jungle shake. Now the party's ending, it's time to say goodbye. But the jungle's still grooving under the moonlit sky. Wave to the animals, they'll dance another day at the animal dance party where we love to play.
That's it. You've just created your own animated cartoon music video using AI in a few simple steps. Now that you know how, start making engaging videos and share them on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, and bye bye.